Good evening. I got a late start this morning. My neighbor across the street, she wanted me to take her to Walmart. So I took her this morning to Walmart and just got back. I hope y'all have had a good morning. Whoops, it's a little crooked. This is the bird canvas that Cecilia gave to me, gifted to me. Back in the summer. So, everything's good here. It's supposed to be hot today, up in the 80s. Then tomorrow, it's supposed to drop down in the mid-60s. So, I'm going to be at my painting today and working on my quilt top. Let me show you how it's come along. Whoops. Look how it's coming along. I just like this right here to outline. Once I get everything outlined, then I'm going to start filling it in. I told you I'd keep you updated on how it's going. So, that's how it's going. It's going to take a lot of black and green. Those colors are the colors you use the most. Black's really the color you use more than anything. Or at least I do. This is working up really good. It's one of, here lately I've got quite a few of those fun canvases. So, but those are the fun canvases. I have color mixed in with this. Well, I don't know what happened to my container that held these. I don't have a clue. It won't take much to get this canvas worked up. Oh, yeah. There's a lot of color blocking in this canvas, as you can see. Now maybe down in here it might change. Now I'm not sure where she got this. Ta-da! Whoops. Now I saw one fall out, but where it went, I have no clue. I'll find it. I'll find it. That just don't look right there. That's why, because it don't belong there. I thought, why does that look so wrong? Well, I just needed 1/500 poured out. What a mess. I'm going through my front closet. There's a bunch of stuff I need to get rid of. So, I think I'm going to do that tomorrow. Because tomorrow's Saturday. So, I'm going to go through the closet tomorrow, get that straightened up. Yeah. Get that all taken care of. And then move from there. Okay. This dress I'm wearing, it come from Temu, and I must have really liked it because I got it in this color. And then when I ordered another one, I didn't know I had to order this one because there was a big lapse in between. I ordered an orange one. Yeah. Then when it kind of hung up in my closet, it was like, okay. If you've not bought Temu clothes, I like Temu clothes. I have bought several. I know some people has trouble with the size, but I've always liked everything I've got from them. I got a Temu order I want to get out, but I've also got to be stingy because I want to get my car fixed. I'm so tired of not having my car. Okay. $23. Oh, wait a minute. I missed one up there. I missed it up there. Let me get this up here. That was like ripping off a Band-Aid, wasn't it? Yeah. I don't know why I had it so far away from me. Might as well go ahead and get this part up here because I started it. And I just noticed, wait a minute, I was working up here. So, might as well get up there too. So, it's 23. All these pretty pinks, gorgeous colors. All these. So, once again, if you like pink, you're going to love this canvas. I know Lynn from Diamond Grandma's. She likes pink. We'll just well, huh. Okay. Phew. This is going to be one of those pretty ones that you're going to want to hang on your wall. Or maybe it's me that will want to hang it on. Let me see. Now I know there's got to be an E on here. Oh, right in front of me. Right in front of me. And I want you to see this color. Look how bright of a red that is. That is super, super bright. Red's one of my favorite colors. And I used to not like pink, but I like pink. But red and orange is my favorite colors. Okay, beautiful color. The colors of the trees are changing so dramatically here. And they're not bright. Me and the lady across the street was talking. Used to, they'd be vibrant, bright colors. Now they're dull. Wait till you see this one. Look at that color. You see it? That is so pretty. Once again, that is a pretty, pretty color. I want you to look how bright that color is. Liking it. Yeah, that's very bright. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Okay. What's it mean when your left eye's itching? You know, those old superstitions. What did I forgot? Okay, let's go with that one. 9. Ooh, look at that color. It's a reddish orange maybe. Let me see with it next to that. Yeah, it's a reddish orange. See it next to the orange. Okay. Ooh. Let me do one more color, okay? We'll do one more color. $22. Yeah. Yeah. Oops. Okay. Okay, one more number. Just one more, okay? This is a deep red. A really deep red. It's not a bright one. Okay, I really didn't need that many. I think I thought there was more what there was. Okay, let's, I hate to say bye. 21. I hate to call it quits. I want to spend more time with you, because I haven't got to spend any time. Yesterday, I didn't put a video on. Yesterday was a hard day for me. I don't know what was going on in my body, but it was one of, have you ever had those days you just want to be quiet? You just want it to be quiet. Well, that was yesterday. I just wanted quietness. And I think because I wanted to talk stuff over with the Lord, and I wanted it quiet so I could hear what He was going to say to me. So it just was one of those days. And I got on here to make a video, and I started it, and then it was like, no, I can't give them my full attention. My mind was elsewhere. Plus, I had a migraine. And it was like, y'all deserve better. So that was why I chose just to take a break yesterday. Then this morning I got up and was gonna do a video, and the little neighbor across the street, she has heart trouble. She can drive around here in town, but since Walmart's so far away, she don't like to drive it. And so So I got that all done, ate my lunch, and spending time with y'all. And if you do videos, you know all the work that goes into a video. But you guys make it worth all the time that is put into a video, because y'all are so supportive and you've been there. And I appreciate each and every one of you. You're just truly a blessing. And I've made some wonderful, wonderful friends out of all this. That's just been amazing. So I thank you that you take the time to spend with me. I thank you for being there sometimes when I just need a shoulder to cry on. Y'all have just been amazing. And I am truly, truly blessed to have each and every one of you. In mine and Bella's little family. So, with that being said, I'm going to stop it here. I will stop the video here. I want to thank you. I see drills everywhere. So you guys have a blessed day. And I thank you for being so kind and so special. And I never can tell you how much I appreciate you. Y'all are the bomb. I've always said from the get-go, I have the best subscribers. And I know every channel, every YouTuber feels like their subscribers are the best. But y'all the best. So hang in there. God bless you. Enjoy your Friday, whether you're working, you're off, you're retired, whatever the case may be. Enjoy each day. And I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.